for the assignment 5. So the first question is about creating a polygon class. So in the class, so first I create the property number of side and then a property of parameter. So first I define the self of the sides. So this side is expected to be a list. So should include the length of each side. So like it will be defined later in the rectangle and the square. So right now it just keep it as a side. So because this is the list, so the number of sides should be the length of the list, and then the parameter should be the sum of the total number of the sides. So the last one in the polygon class is a string, which should return a statement polygon with several sides, and this is the value. This value is the number of the sides which defined here in the property. So right now, if we print the polygon, because we keep it as a side here, so they have 0 side. So the result is print as this polygon with 0 side. So the second is we created a child class for the polygon, which is a rectangle. So here we because before, as I mentioned, the size should be the list. So here we define we added the variable height and width. So because this is a rectangle, so as we all know, the side list should be height, width, and so if we add the area here, so as we all know, the area of the rectangle is a height multiplied by the width. So right now, if we create the rectangle with the height 5 and the width 1, so if we print the number of sides, it's printed 4, so which is same as our as the expectation. So the area is 5 and the parameter is 12. And if we print is 5, 1, so the result is the polygon with 4 sides as we defined in the polygon class. And the last is to create a child class of the rectangle, which is the square class. And so we just get one side from the mother rectangle. So if we print the square of like the side equal to 5, we get the statement, the polygon with 4 sides, and if we get the number of sides, it's printed as 4, and we get the error is printed at 25.